Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vijayalakshmi. This is our second video on oil massaging in babies. We have already discussed the benefits of oil massage and the recommended oil for massaging the babies. In this video, we are going to learn about the methods of massaging a baby. Coming to the prerequisites, the caretaker or the mother who is going to do the massage should trim the fingernails, should not wear any ornaments. We should have a non-scented coconut oil. We should be having a clean towel, a calm and quiet environment. We are going to start the oil massage with the legs. First we will hold the foot. We will start with longitudinal strokes from heel to upper part. This is called the aeroplane strokes. In each foot we will be doing it for 5 to 7 strokes. Later, the second movement is the circular movement, which will be starting from the heel, then we'll move upwards. Similarly, circular movements will be done from upward to the heel. Then we'll move to the toes. Rolling motion of each toe should be done, followed by longitudinal soft strokes. Next we'll start with the legs. We'll make L-shaped in our hands. Then we'll go for circular motion from the ankle to the hip. This is called rolling back and forth movement or the ringing movement. In each leg we have to do 5 to 7 strokes. The circular motion we'll be doing up and down. Sometimes it is difficult to hold a baby, so hold ankle in one hand and do the strokes with the other hand. At last we will be doing milking strokes of each leg. When one of the leg is finished, we will be switching to the second leg. Next we will go for the abdomen. The massaging of the abdomen will help in relieving the gas and the colicky pain of the baby. First stroke we follow is the rainbow stroke. In this, with soft hands, with 2 to 3 fingers, we can do clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. This can be done 5 to 10 times. This is called rainbow strokes. The second movement is the pulling strokes. That is, softly we are going to put our hand, the ulnar border of our hand, below the rib cage, and we'll do soft movement from above downwards with the alternate hands. This is also we are going to repeat 5 to 10 times. Now coming to the chest, we should be doing crisscross movement. This should be cupping around the shoulder. The next movement is heart shape movement, putting 2 to 3 fingers just below the xiphisternum softly, and we should be moving up and making a heart around. The third movement is the open book movement, as we can see in the figure. This has to be done 5 to 10 times. Upper limb, that is the arms and hands. Same movement has to be followed as we have done in the lower limbs. Aeroplane strokes has to be done for palms, 5 to 7 strokes, followed by circular movements in the palm. For the fingers, we will be going for rolling motion, followed by longitudinal strokes softly. Next, we will be holding the wrists and we will be going for L-shaped and circular movement from the wrist to the shoulder joint. We will be rolling up and down, back and forth. This is called ringing movement, followed by the milking action as we had done in the lower limbs. Each stroke has to be done 5 to 7 times in each limb. Now coming to the facial massage, we should be doing horizontal strokes on the forehead, followed by circular strokes around the eyes with soft hand. Then we should do horizontal strokes above and below the lips, followed by circular strokes on the cheek and around the ear. Coming to the back massage, gently put the baby on the tummy, that is the prone position. Put the hands by the side or up, and we will be putting the head of the baby to one side so that the nose and mouth are free, it is not blocked. We should start with longitudinal strokes from the neck to the lower back, followed by circular strokes at the paraspinal area. These strokes help in development and strengthening of the paraspinal muscles and the neck muscles. Then we should go for crisscross movement. All the strokes should be done gently and it should be done 5 to 10 times. Last but not the least is the head. We should be going for circular movements or circular strokes all around the head. We should be careful on the anterior fontanelle. We should not press it.